sa'yo sina Rain and Mickey?
I picked 3 because you do not know sino ako. And at the end, I had 2 choices pa. Pero if I look at it, Rain was more my favorite than the other girl, so that's why I'm happy about it.
Akala ko talaga, to be perfectly honest, I thought hindi ako makakasama for this segment. The main reason why I did hip-hop during the competition was because I wanted to be different. Kasi they were all sexy, right? I can't do that, so I'll just do something different, so para maalala.
She's hyper, super hyper, which is cool. So parang she really wants it. She has same passion, like dance, halata na gusto sumayaw, and the love for dancing is there. So it'll be fun. And nakakatuwa siya.
I think Mickey embodies the typical natural dancer who's born with a heart for dancing, and that is unstoppable.
Hip-hop is always different eh. Depende with whom you're dancing, paano yung chemistry, and who will be the teacher.
I'm very happy with hip-hop because it's his forte. So if we get something that he's going to be very comfortable with, alam mo yun, we have one foot in the door because he's going to be more comfortable, he's going to be more confident, so that will make our partnership stronger.
Big things.
Come in small packages. Abangan niyo kami sa Shall We Dance?
Your mother, your father, your sister, your brother.
Number. What can I say? I mean, that's what you get when you mix Pinoy blood with Austrian blood. You get a dancing, more handsome Arnold Schwarzenegger on the dance floor. Much more handsome Arnold, yeah. And so, wow, I think your shirt is very appropriate because I'm really inspired by your dance. Yan ang gusto ko kasi pag nagpapanood ako ng dance, gusto ko yung na-inspire ako, ginaganan ako. I mean, you guys are making noise. I can feel the hataw. I can see your connection. Your moves were sexy, but they were also hip-hop. And I just appreciate the way you guys look at each other and the way you guys project to the camera. So it's well done. I love the way you started this competition. Just maintain that energy and push it further.
Thank you.
Jay, your comments, please.
You got a combination of Brazilian hip-hop style, LA style, which is what we call new style, and breakdancing. So you really enjoy what this hip-hop is. Hip-hop is self-expression on the floor. You work together, that's it. Rock the house, bro.
Thank you. Oh, rock the house from Jay. Tito Douglas, were you as happy as our 2 other judges?
What I like about the act is Mickey has a personal attack to it. It looks like his dance. Doesn't look like something copied from somewhere else. Doesn't look like something that he's seen on TV. Some of the moves are something I've seen on TV, but somehow it looks different the way he does it, and it looks like it's basically exciting. For his size, to attempt all of those things, basically exciting. And Rain is always an indomitable partner. She's a tough act to follow.
Wow! Very generous of you tonight, Tito Douglas. Pero you're off to a good start. Mickey, are you flattered?
Yeah, super flattered. Kasi
Super
it's the
flattered.
first time for us to compete here. And then second of all, ang dami ko narinig na from Sir Douglas. Ang dami that never met him, so anxiety will make me 29 outside.
Yeah.
And yes, happy naman. But also from the other judges, I really appreciate your love for the dance and the sinabi niyo. Thanks a lot.
I think it's worth mentioning quick lang because Tito Douglas said that Mickey daw made the dance his own, and Rain said that it's apparently really more of his choreography than it is hers. So good job, guys. I'm sure you want to know what your scores are, but bibitin na namin kayo sandali. Remember, our judges' comments may not actually reflect the scores they will give you. Tense ba kayo? Yeah. Mukhang in this case, it just might reflect. Patatagalin pa natin ng konti ang tensyon ninyo. And when we come back, we will reveal Mickey and Rain's scores at magpa-perform ng isang super jazz number ang fellow PPP housemate ni Mickey na si Saisi Aguila. So don't go away. There's more action dito sa Shall We Dance? Search for the Dance Superstar.